Why is water so important to our body? 70% of our body is made up of water. Although water is essential to life, but the water quality is often overlooked. What has happened to our drinking water nowadays? It is undeniable that environmental pollution is taking place on a daily basis. Most of our water sources, such as rivers, lakes, dams and springs, have been contaminated by hazardous chemicals. Now, our health is faced with another dangerous threat. That is, sick water that contains pharmaceutical drugs, inorganic contaminants, dissolved heavy metals and radioactive substances. The danger of contaminated water must not be underestimated. It has already been proven that our drinking water is not safe. But why do we still remain healthy even though we have been drinking contaminated water? One of the reasons is due to the function of our kidney. Every day, our kidneys filter more than 1,700 liters of blood. An intake of low-quality water will burden our kidneys and may lead to kidney disease, pancreatic cancer, and kidney stones. The most disturbing fact is that some heavy metals dissolve easily in water without affecting its clarity and is not visible to the naked eye. Usually, dirty or contaminated water will be filtered before it is channeled to our homes. It looks clear after filtration, but in fact, it is still contaminated and hazardous. Therefore, we need a water treatment system to filter sick water. Today, a water treatment system is not a luxury, but a necessity of life. What does necessity mean? It means that each household must have a water filter. The question is, what kind of water treatment technology should we choose? We surely want our drinking water to be pure, natural, and totally free from hazardous metals, inorganic minerals, and other contaminants. Elkin BioPure is a water treatment system which uses advanced reverse osmosis (RO) water purification technology to produce perfectly pure water. Although there are many water treatment systems in the market that filter drinking water, but the problem is the contaminants that are filtered out tend to accumulate in the filter and in the long run will clog the filter. This will lead to two problems. Firstly, bacterial growth, and secondly, the clogged filter will increase the water pressure, thus ultimately pushing out the accumulated contaminants from the filter into the water, resulting in recontamination. The BioPure system overcomes this problem by using a pre-sediment filter. Before water is channeled into the purification system, it goes through a pre-sediment filter for the elimination of minute particles as small as 5 microns. This process also helps to prolong the filter and membrane lifespan in the next step of filtration. The water then goes through the pressure pump. The pressure pump forces the water into the purification system through an ultrafine filtering membrane with 0.0001 micron pore size, which is about 500,000 times finer than the diameter of a hair strand. This membrane layer is so fine that it filters all contaminants in water, allowing only pure water to pass through. Where do these filtered contaminants go? The RO water purification system has a rinse function to remove the contaminants so that they will not accumulate in the purification system, thus avoiding recontamination. Having invested in a water purification system, we also need a good after-sales service network. We are proud that Elkin is backed by the largest after-sales service network in Southeast Asia. We have more than 150 technicians offering professional service and 100% original spare parts. You need no longer worry about water supply interruption because K Series comes with a built-in pump that regulates water pressure to ensure constant water inflow 365 days a year. Still hesitant? Today, over 2 million people in the world enjoy pure, perfect water, H2O, every day through Elkin BioPure. Moreover, Elkin BioPure is the only water purification system in Asia and one of only 4 brands in the world that has been awarded the WQA S300 Gold Seal certification. Recently, Elkin BioPure was awarded with 2 Frost & Sullivan 2012 Asia Pacific Best Practices Awards. The quality of Elkin BioPure has also been certified by 4 certified water specialists, namely Michael R. Long, Grade 6 Certified Water Specialist, highest in the water industry; Alvin Teng, CP Shin, and Chu Wai Sun, Grade 2 Certified Water Specialist.